Hi everyone, Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome, Master House 24. Today we are going to discuss interesting topics English speaking marathon. I'm Mohammad Mokter Hossain, English is a Mohammad Ali Academy. Today I will help you improve your English speaking skill step by step. Today's topic English speaking marathon. By the end of this lesson, you will speak English with more confidence. Our goal is not only to learn English grammar but also speak English confidently. Don't be afraid of making mistake. Practice makes progress. Let us start with introduction. I am Mohammad Mokter, English teacher, Mohammad Ali Academy. I am a student. I live in Hossain. Nice to meet you. Now, let us learn some daily greeting. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I'm fine. And you? Daily conversation. Let us practice a simple conversation. What is your name? My name is Rahim. Where do you live? I live in Rajbari. Vocabulary. Now let us learn some useful vocabulary. Happy, সুখী, beautiful, সুন্দর, important, গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, success, সফলতা, knowledge, জ্ঞান. Use these words in your daily speaking. Pronunciation. Good pronunciation makes your English clear. Please repeat after me. Think, thank, three, school, English. Common mistakes. English. Many learners make common mistakes. He go to school. He goes to school. She do not. She does not know. Speaking practice. Now it is your turn. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I will practice English every day. I'm confident. English challenge. Now, take a 30-second speaking challenge. Don't stop. Don't be afraid. Just speak. Job interview. Let us practice job interview question. Tell me about yourself. Why should we hire you? What is your strength? Fluency tips. Here are three powerful tips. Think in English. Speak every day. Listen and repeat. Live practice. Now, write your answer in live chat. I read your comments. Question and answer. Do you have any question? Feel free to ask. Recap. Let us review today's lesson. Greeting, introduction, vocabulary, pronunciation, speaking, practice, fluency, tips. Today's homework is very simple. Write 10 sentences. Speak for 5 minutes in front of a mirror. Like, share, and subscribe. If you enjoy today's class, please like this video. Share this class with your friend. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Master House, and press the bell icon. Master House 24 ইউটিউব চ্যানেল সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, বেল আইকন অন করে রাখুন যাতে পরবর্তী ক্লাস মিস না করেন। Thank you everyone for joining today's English speaking marathon. Keep practicing every day because practice builds confidence. See you in the next live class. Take care. May Allah bless you. See you in the next nation. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.